Hello everyone, Max D Legend here, and welcome to Slime Rancher. Today we're going to be testing it out something new and see how everyone likes it. Just testing it out. What? You have Vector slimes. Slimes are key to your success. Shoot them through corral barriers into the corral for the range. So, eat. Like that. There. You acquired slime plort. When slimes eat, they make plorts. Head over to a plort machine so you can cash in your plort. Hurry. Shoot. Plort market is where you earn all your money and that sort of thing. Oh boy. This doesn't run very well, does it? Tasty food acquired. A crystal ornament. Hello, Beatrix. The name is Hobson Twilgers, rancher, explorer, and farmer, owner of this here ranch. You'll now call your own. Please make it your Pleased to make your acquaintance. I was a rancher for more years than I can remember, and felt there was the last adventure left, so I must set off to find just that. But before I go, I'm taking one last tour around here, and I'll hear land I love. So keep your peepers peeled for notes like these. If you want to hear what an old coot has to say every now and again, be talking to you, H. Okay. Food. More pogo fruit. Okay. I'm just gonna do a short tutorial of what to do, like maybe create a farm and stuff like that. This. What do I do with this? It's gonna be next to the house. There. There's already carrots back here. Wait, can I go back here? I can go back here. I can't go That leads to death. Tasty food acquired. Chickadee. What? So you kind of just... just go around and collecting ports as an in-game curry. What? Skill. Wait, can I go inside here? Yes, I can. Star mail. Written sign. Casey. Hi B. What's it like to sleep for a whole year? Did you dream? I can't imagine what that's like. Z puts you in a pod and then lets out for all that time. Wow. What's the Far Ranch like? Have you ever started exploring? Is the air clear as they say? I bet it's really wonderful. I'm probably asking too many questions, but you have a lot of work to do on that ranch. I still can't believe it's yours now. I guess I better leave you to it and just keep your short good luck be. If anything I can make it out here, it's you, Case. Welcome to the Far Ranch, the Z Corporation. The 7Z Corporation, Miss LeBeau. The 7Z Corporation would like to welcome you to the Far Ranch. Welcome, and extend our support in your bold new venture as Slime Rancher. Support extended, we would like to ask your request that you exercise caution in your first few days on the ranch until you get more familiar with your surroundings. Traveling at night is not advisable. Lastly, should you require any additional tools for your backpack or items to make your slime ranching experience easier, the 7Z Corporation would like to be pleased to provide them to you from the shop located outside your ranch, your ranch house. The 7Z Corporation providing tools need to get the job done for us for a small fee. Z Corporation. So, I think I'm gonna make a garden. Use pogo fruit. So what exactly? Range exchange offline. What? I guess that's offline, I don't know. Is there anything else over here that I can do? Some more ports. Guess I can just get like an infinite amount of ports over here. Got more chickadees. Got rocky slime boys. Got another one of these things. The entire cave system was sealed off and a cave in when I first discovered it. Maybe that's why I filled this up. And grumpy. I haven't had a long time. In case I don't look that long. Wait.
Make your bed, slob. Don't be a
Okay.
But turn your phone over so if somebody texts you or your mom might text you, you know, or your girlfriend.
Okay.
Or is she breaking up with you, babe?
No. In any case, don't let that long-waited bite come from you, your own route. Bring some food to calm them down, H. Okay. Oh, jeez. Ow. It's like a carrot. Largo slimes are hybrid slimes of different types. Eat. Phosphor ports. Hey, where's this lead out to? Guess I need a key for this? Yep. Guess you guys just hang out down here. From... Ow! You just hurt from touching me. What is this? Oh, this is the map. So there's an area there. There's another area. This is a big map. So I am here. There's more pogo fruit up there. But how do I get to it? Did you guys just tap it? Wait. Ow. Yeet. Yeet. Buckets. Yeah. Eat. No, you weren't supposed to hit a tree. You're supposed to yeet. You're supposed to yeet out of here. And not kill me. Eat. Ow. Get out of here. Is there more of them? There's one of them in here. Yeah, yeet. That man's just gonna soar. He's not gonna die, but he's still gonna soar. I think I got him. All the poor go fruit, jeez. Thanks for the plorts, my dudes. Fuck. sauce for slimes? What do you guys eat? Diet fruit. Yeet. I said yeet. Trying to give you my humble pogo fruit, but I'm not eating it. Okay, I'm gonna go off back to my area. So oh, there's more of them. Okay. Cash these in. Wow, those are worth a lot. Okay. Got any? Nope. Well, I think that's about it for today. If you liked it, please leave a comment and leave a like on the video if you liked it. And just now tell me if you want to see more Slime Rancher. So if you liked it, please like it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.